Hey, what's going on, you guys? Alan White here, and welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to be talking about the 5 things I love about my Apollo 110cc. Let's get on into it. So my first reason is versatility. The balance between an adult and a kid is just amazing because both are able to ride, and it just provides for either one. And really, you could put it in first gear and the kid would be fine, and then obviously an adult can ride all, top speed, blah blah blah. But really, it's so small that it can get through stuff, get between trees, and just the versatility of that, just weaving in and out of things. I just really like that. And also the height of the bike is able to just topple over things, over hills, because of the power. And it just, you can't ask for much more when it comes to a dirt bike. My second reason is the gas. So basically, I've had a half a tank of gas, which means half a gallon, because this is only a 1 gallon tank, and I've drove about 14 days on this same, I think it's 14 days on this one, on this half a gallon of tank, and it's still got gas in it right now. So it does very well when it comes to gas, and each day I rode about an hour up to 3 hours. So give or take on the hours, it's done amazing when it comes to gas mileage, and that's why one of the reasons I love this bike. Third reason is the first crank reliability. So no matter how hot it is, I haven't experienced cold yet, we'll have to see, but no matter how hot it is, first crank, no choke, just ready to go. And at first we had a little bit of idling issues, but the more I rode it, it fixed itself. I don't know, the bike's just that good. It loves me that much, So my next reason is a pretty big reason, because most people, they look for this, and that is the sound of the bike. Is it good? And absolutely it is. For a stock, it sounds so great because it has such a deep volume to it, and really when you rev it up, people are turning heads because they're like, whoa, that's pretty loud, and that's just one thing I love about that bike. So my last reason to bring this video to an end is probably the changing gears. It's so forgiving when you're changing gears, because multiple times I've been in the wrong gear and haven't realized it, and the bike has never locked up or done anything of that nature to me. And really, it's just a great beginner's bike because of the no clutch, and it's just been a great bike for me so far because, again, I'm learning, I'm new to all this, and that's another just great reason why I love this bike so much. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Comment if you want to see more videos like this, more informational videos about the Apollo 110cc. Comment what you need to know if there's anything that I haven't covered. I am going to be bringing 5 things I don't like about my bike. So stay tuned for that. Turn on notifications if you need it. But other than that, hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.